Hi everybody, it's Carolyn and welcome back. I am so excited. Finally, my lucky bag came today from Beautylish. So I was expecting it yesterday. We had snow this week, and North Carolina, we're not prepared for, snow. And of course we got like 8 inches. To us that was, a foot or better. So anyway, it was supposed to have been here yesterday, then it was delayed, and I just now put on my pajamas, getting ready to wash my face because I thought it was not going to come, even though it says it is. So anyway, it's finally here. If you don't know what a lucky box is, Beautylish does it one time a year. They do it on December 26th. I got an email where I could pre-order, and so I did that, and then I went on the 26th and made sure that I got to place my order, that it had gone through. So anyway, extra large boxes are $150, and those are usually for people that I don't know if anybody else can get them if you get online early enough, but I know that people that can get them are people that have spent $1,000 for the year, or you get the $75 box, which is what I got. So here it is here. I haven't opened it or anything yet, and so I'm so excited to see what I've gotten. I got it last year, and I liked pretty much everything I got last year. And it's guaranteed that you spend the $75, it's guaranteed to be $150 plus in it. And the $150 box is guaranteed to be $300 plus. So anyway, let's get this puppy open. Okay, and it's always packaged so cute, and there it is there. And they use this really thick, nice paper. I've still got the paper from last year, I think. And it comes with this little sticker on it. And this year, let me see what it says. It says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Lucky Bag 2018 by Beautylish. So, let's take this seal off. I think I still got my little one now, too. Last year it was an owl little thing on it. And I've still got it over there. I don't know why, but I do. So let's break this seal open. And then, of course, if you've ever ordered anything from Beautylish, everything is wrapped in black tissue. They always present everything so well. Isn't that cute? I mean, it almost looks like a cummerbund in there. Okay. Let me slide it over here. Then everything is individually wrapped, I do believe. That's the way it was it last year. So, let's see what we've got in here. It feels like there's several things in here. Let's see. So maybe everything is in this one. Wait a minute, hang on. It better be good if all of it's in there. Let me make sure this is just wrapping. And that is what it is. So, uh-oh. That's a little concerning looking for $75. Let's see. Okay. Alright. The first thing that I pulled out is it's from Jouer, and it says Skinny Dip Collection. And I have seen it, I couldn't help myself, I did see a couple of videos where some people had gotten some palettes, and I was really hoping I'd gotten one of the I know two palettes I've seen were the Jouer Skinny Dip palette, and another one was a Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. This is powder highlighter. So we'll see. Sometimes highlighters are just a bit, well, let me start from the other end. I'm opening up from the bottom. Sometimes highlighters are just a little bit, you know, I don't like them to be too bright because, you know, of my aged skin. But let's see what this one is called. Doesn't it say? Oh, it's in Skinny Dip, I suppose. So there it is there. So let's just swatch it and see. We'll just swatch it lightly. Just a little bit there. So it's kind of, I don't know if you'll be able to see it well because it's dark already. But, I don't know. I'll try it and see. That's the first thing. So that's nice. Not that I wear a lot of highlighter. I really don't, actually. Okay. This is a Charlotte Tilbury, speaking of. And this looks like it's probably a lipstick. What does it say? Just says Charlotte Tilbury on that part. It doesn't want to open. Okay. Well, to tell you what it is, I'm going to have to see if I can get something to see it. If I have, yeah. This is in Too Bad I'm Bad. So the packaging is this rose gold, and then you can see it on that side. Let's see if I even want to swatch it, because it might be just too, I don't know, it might be too like dark for me, and I hate to swatch it and then it's too dark. So I got that, so that's okay. You know, I'm not the biggest lipstick person in the world, so you know. Alright. Yes. A Wayne Goss brush. I love my Wayne Goss brushes. So this one, I don't have this particular one. I have two that are, they have the black hair that's about this size, but I don't have this particular one, number 11. I mean, I don't know. I think those are different. I think they're called, one I know is called the airbrush. But I have the anniversary set and the eye set of his brushes, and they are my favorite brushes. I use those all the time. So I'm glad to have this. You just want to pet it because they're just so nice. So, like that. Okay. Here is a, oh, it's a face mask. I'm not even going to try. There it is there. So, it's always nice to try a different kind face mask. So, I got that. Wow, this is cold. And I do have, I think I have this. I have one by the Orbe texturizing spray. So that's cool. I like Orbe. You know, this alone is like $22. I know that. And whew. Okay. Now this is, oh, okay. Okay. This is Natasha Denona palette. Now I have one of the large Natasha Denona palettes, and I have to say it's not, I don't love it. So, we'll see how this one is. So I am a little bit bummed because I would have liked to have had the Jouer Skinny Dip palette or the Charlotte Tilbury one, but we'll see what this one looks like. I know a lot of people just love Natasha Denona, but like I said, I bought one of the big palettes. I didn't like it. Okay. And this one is Looks like this. So let's see. Let's kind of, this one reminds me of like from the Wet n Wild palette, or I think MAC makes the one that's kind of a duochrome. That kind of reminds me of that particular shade right there. That green. Let's just swatch these, just see what they look like. And they are there. And that one does kind of have that, a little bit of duochrome kind of look to it. Get something to wipe my fingers and I'll swatch that last one. Let's see. And here's the last color in there. So that is my 2018 Lucky Bag. So I'm most excited about the Wayne Goss brush, and I would say the Orbe texturizing spray would be my top two. I was really, like I said, I'm a little bummed. I'm a little bummed, to be honest with you, because this is a color. If it was more of a nude type, color, I would see myself wearing it. But it may, I don't know. It just kind of looks like a color I would not wear. So I'm a little bummed about that. And also with highlighter, like I said, I'm not a big. This would take me my entire lifetime to use up, and well, I wouldn't use it up in a lifetime. I really like the Becca cream one. Actually, is one of my absolute favorites. And this, some of the shades in it, I mean, it just doesn't wow me at all. These aren't. I'm more of the cooler, on the cooler side than a warmer side, and so. They're okay. So, will I do it next year? I don't know. I really don't know. After this one, I'm not sure. It's all a risk when you do it. It's fun, though, because you don't know what you're going to get. And so that's the fun of it. Is it worth $75 as far as if I went and looked up prices? I'm sure it is. I'll link it down below of how much. I'll look everything up and see how much everything costs and put the total at the bottom in the description box. But yeah, I'm a little. I have to say, I'm a little bummed actually. But all in all, it was fun. I enjoyed it. I will try these things and see what I think. And I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you got in your lucky bag. And I will see you next time. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.